Hey everyone, okay, so today is a different video from normal. Let me kind of reiterate that this video is about me and email and Instagram. I understand that something's happening out there or has happened. I don't know about it. Somebody mentioned it on Twitter to myself and I said, I don't want to know about it. They literally just said, shit's blowing up. And I just said, I don't want to know. It's none of my business. And as I mentioned in a previous video, I don't buy the newspapers, I don't listen to the news, I don't follow gossip or anything, so I'm out of it. So this video is about me and an email that I got that was really unpleasant. So a couple of weeks ago I posted a picture of a Kat Von D eyeliner and somebody messaged me and said there's a lot of people giving you a lot of nonsense on there, a lot of shit. So I look on there and there it is. And it didn't matter that I had no idea about any of it before, I just posted a picture of makeup. So, you know, it doesn't matter that you don't know, you're still going to get slapped. And then a couple of weeks after that, I post a picture of this amazing lash system, and I'll post a review later in the week. And it is amazing. It is the best thing I've used for the eyes ever, especially if you have hooded eyes. It is phenomenal. But so I post this picture and I'm like, amazing. Then I get more abuse. And it's like, do you know what this person said about this influencer, and back and forth? And I was like, no, I don't. You don't seem to understand that I don't know this stuff. And, you know, with regards to makeup and makeup companies, you know, they're run by humans. Humans are unfortunately, we're flawed. We say and do things we shouldn't. And I live in my world, which is the benefit of the doubt. I get let down. I think, oh, we try again. If I get let down again, it's game over. And I feel that way about most things in life with regards to this conversation. And I feel that way about makeup companies. And when in the day and age of the internet, you know, vengeance and justice is swift and it is very, very harsh. And what I don't get is if a company has said, fuck, I'm really sorry, we didn't mean it that way, we're sorry, and they've apologized, at what point does it stop being about justice and start becoming a witch hunt if you're still going at them? That's what I don't get. And it might just be, you know, maybe I am naive, but that's how I choose to live my life. And that's how I want to live, and that's what I want to believe. And I find it really, really difficult to just get my head around because I'm not an unpleasant person. And I don't like seeing unpleasant things, and I don't like seeing unpleasant things happen to people, but I don't think it's good to do unpleasant things back either. And I received an email this week, so let me read it to you because it's beautiful. So, you should know better than to post pictures of companies that engage in disgusting behavior. You're in a position to educate people, instead you're behaving like a Nazi. I have never liked you or your channel, but I follow you because I knew you sooner or later. You are supporting homophobia, not to mention companies that believe children should die. You're disgusting and you make me sick. If you ever speak about any of these people or companies, I will make sure I destroy your life, you cunt. I will post everywhere I can find that you are a homophobic bastard. If I see one more post from you about anything that I've mentioned, I will destroy you publicly. So, let me just try and make it really, really clear. I am a 40-year-old man and I will not be told what I can and cannot say or do with regards to what we've just spoken about. I will not be bullied, I will not be threatened, and I will not be blackmailed into what I can and cannot say. I believe that I am a good, honest, fair person. And if you don't like a company that I like, I get that. If they've upset you or somebody you know, I get it. Don't buy from them, but you don't need to threaten me because it's not nice. And, you know, I don't want to make anybody's life miserable, and I don't get why somebody or why anyone would want to make my life miserable either. You know, I'm at an age where it's ridiculous at any age, but at my age, I just think, really, is this what it's about? Is this what social media is about? Because it's a joke. The Kat Von D eyeliner, the liquid one, was a great eyeliner. And if you don't like her or the company, then don't buy from them. I get it, don't buy from them. That's fine. If you don't like the lash system, then don't buy from them. I get it. But that kind of email, that kind of stuff, those kind of threats, not nice. And it's uncalled for. It's just uncalled for. I treat people quite well, I think, and I hope that people will treat me well too. And I honestly believe that 95% of you are good, decent, honest people that watch my channel, and you are lovely, you leave lovely comments, you are kind, but there is a small percentage whose specific mission is to cause pain and to disrupt for no real purpose, just for the sheer joy of causing somebody else misery. I block very few people on different platforms. This is the first time I've ever taken action in terms of YouTube, because I don't contact them. I've got a really high subscriber rate and I never contact them and to ask about anything. And this is the first time I've reached out and said, we need to put something into place in these videos that can be monitored so we catch these people so they can be blocked forever. And that's the first time I've ever had to do this. It saddens me, this day and age and at my age, that is what you have to do. You know, I won't be blackmailed and I will not be threatened. If you don't like a company, fine, don't buy from them. And you have every right. But you don't need to come at me and threaten, because it's just unacceptable. It really is. I have no idea what's going on at the moment in social media. And thank God I don't know, because I don't want to know. I really don't. I just want to sit in my own bubble where everything is okay and people are good. And that's where I want to be. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.